Acharya Acharya, to be frank with you, probably I'm very, very lucky to come with you. I'm so much excited.
Mm.
Doesn't matter. Maybe really I'm very, very lucky to be, I mean, to come in contact with Mokshayatan Yoga Sansthan,
Mm.
because so far I'm not, this is maybe, I've been practicing and looking at people and practicing yogasanas and
Mm.
seeing many people for last 30, 40 years. Maybe
Mm.
I've been in continuously in yoga, but I was not able to continue because everywhere, I mean, the way it is taught, the way it is looked
Mm.
at, the way it is taught with Mokshayatan is totally different from other types of yogasanas where they teach yoga, yoga, yoga. But that's not yoga. It is just
Mm.
like, as you say, it is physical exercises rather
Mm.
than looking at the yogasanas and the trying to teach people and trying to tell the participants and the sadhaks what is really yoga.
Mm.
And this is done by this yoga very nice, actually. And to be frank with you, I'm so lucky to be meet with you in Mukteshwar
Mm.
and also Swamiji. Swamiji, I'm really very, very thankful to you. I'm sure I'll again meet you all people there.
Yes.
And especially, I should thank you all of the Mokshayat and you particularly, and Swamiji,
Mm.
and also our teachers,
Yeah.
Navneet ji, and also I have been, I
Manisha.
mean, this is
Yeah.
fifth month I have been practicing from January, all
Mm.
the morning, my Acharya
Manisha ji.
Manishwari ji,
Ha.
they are wonderful, wonderful teachers. I'm so thankful to you.